Hey, what's up folks? Andy here, and in today's video, I'm going to do a quick comparison review between ExpressVPN and PureVPN. So if you've ever been wondering which is the better VPN service, then you're in the right place. Now, ExpressVPN is arguably the best and most popular VPN on the market. But can PureVPN come close to matching its performance, usability, and features? Well, now at first glance, these two VPNs are quite similar when it comes to security and protocol options. Both PureVPN and ExpressVPN use 256-bit encryption, along with OpenVPN, L2TP IPsec, SSTP, and PPTP as available protocols. But that's where most of the similarities end, however. So after this short comparison review, be sure to check out links I'll put in to full reviews of ExpressVPN and PureVPN in the video description below. Now, as usual, I like to start my comparison research by first looking into the speed of each VPN. And if there's one thing ExpressVPN is known for, it's their insanely fast speeds. And that's not matched by any other VPN. This makes ExpressVPN ideal for streaming, as well as downloading and uploading just about, well, anything. Sure, PureVPN has average speeds that are fine for streaming, but nothing like ExpressVPN can provide. And then, as far as the quality of the server networks, I found that PureVPN has an outstanding list of servers in various countries. 140 servers to be exact, which is their strongest comparison towards competing with ExpressVPN. And Express is no slouch either, offering servers in 94 countries with about 148 total servers. Okay, now in terms of customer support, both companies have a strong commitment to customer support, which, you know, for me, it's very important. ExpressVPN and PureVPN provide their users with 24/7 live chat, email ticketing, and large knowledge bases on their respective websites. Now, you also find helpful video tutorials on their websites as well, which is great to just be able to click around and learn how to use it. Now, next up, I tested the ease of use with each VPN. And as expected, downloading and installing ExpressVPN was fast and easy, as always. Then, after opening the app, I was able to stream my favorite shows on Netflix and Hulu without any problems. Thankfully, there wasn't any buffering thanks to the superior speeds of ExpressVPN. Also, I tested my IP address in numerous countries without a problem and found the interface easy enough for a beginner to use. Another thing of note is that ExpressVPN can unlock content on most any streaming platform, which is another reason why it's so popular. And then as for PureVPN, it's also easy enough for a novice VPN user to use, but still offers enough settings to appeal to a seasoned player. The basic interface is simple, so all you need to do is select a server and click on Connect. The default protocol is automatic, but you can pick another option from the list if you choose so. Also, there are tabs that let users change the settings and customize the app according to their needs. It's also helpful that PureVPN has apps for all major platforms and has browser extensions as well. They also have a large selection of servers for online streaming, sports streaming, anonymous file sharing, data security, or you can just connect to the fastest server of any particular country. Also, I want to mention that PureVPN works on mobile devices and is fairly successful accessing Netflix and Hulu, although it's not quite as reliable as ExpressVPN. And finally, in terms of pricing, PureVPN does cost less than ExpressVPN, with a starting price of around $3 a month with a 7-day money-back guarantee. ExpressVPN, on the other hand, charges $7 per month, but has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you take your pick. And then both VPNs support up to 5 simultaneous connects, so you can have it loaded on multiple devices without a problem. So, which VPN should you choose? Well, in the end, it's hard for Pure to compete with Express on any level beyond customer support. Then there's also the issue with logging, as PureVPN has been caught in the past turning over logs to law enforcement. On the other hand, Express's no logs policy calls for the opposite. Express takes a strict stance against keeping logs, and it makes sure the data is not kept, meaning they do not have anything to turn over to officials inquired, meaning they don't have anything to turn over to officials if they ask. So overall, I have to say that ExpressVPN offers a better value because of the difference in speed, network size, reliability, and customer privacy. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please feel free to give a thumbs up, and just know that always makes my day. And just a reminder, if you are interested in trying out ExpressVPN, be sure to check out the special discount link I'll put in the description area below so that you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to our cyber family. Be sure to stay safe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.